My dear friend, as you are well aware that we are describing the persecution of the Jews by the Islamist goons or Islamic gundas or Islamic robbers or Islamic killers or the rapist as the Muhammad Waj. His companion was the robber, rapist and the killer. So today we will discuss about the persecution of the Jews in South Africa. During the 1930, many party leaders and much section of African people came under the influence of Nazism. Nazi means Hitler. Nazism. 1933 to 1945, the National Party of EDF, Malan closely associated itself with the policies of the Nazis. Jewish migration from Eastern Europe was central under the Alliance sect. Though all those Jews were accepted by the South African people, another political party, South African Gentile National Socialist Movement, headed by Johannes von Strauss von Moltke, whose objective was only destroy the influence of the Jews in economics, culture, religion, ethics, statecraft, and re-establishment of the European Aryan, central in South Africa for the welfare of the Christian people. During 1960, Oswald Mosley, the British fascist leader, came so many times in South Africa, was welcomed by the Prime Minister and the Communist Minister. Upon world assassination in 1960, B.J. Forrester was elected by the National Party to replace him. While Forrester was elected by the National Party to replace him, while Forrester was the supporter of Hitler during World War II, his policy towards Jews in his own country, however, this policy was ambivalent. World War II policy of Hitler during his dictatorship in the Second World War, Nazi believed German must control the whole earth. Hitler's ultimate goal was to establish the kingdom of Aryans in the world. This is the main reason of the World War II, so Hitler was lunatic. In 1980 saw the rise of far-right neo-Nazi groups such as Afrikaner Weerstand under Eugene Terry Blanche. The AWB is a document and the provide details about the shipment and around to track it. Modeled itself after Hitler's National Socialist Party, replete with fascist regela emblem resembling the swastika, as generally a religious sign in Vedic culture. But emblem of Nazi was reverse direction to the Vedic sign, means clockwise and anti-clockwise. Swastika of Vedic religion counterclockwise, and the Nazis swastika was just opposite. So you see that the molestation of the Jews was since beginning of the Islam or inception of the Islam. Because Islam, Muhammad was born in a Jewish tribe that is known as the Quraysh tribe. And when he migrated or dragged out from Makkah to Medina, he was continue in his Gunism in the shape of the rape, killing, and the robbery of the Jews tribes, caravans. Muhammad was a certified robber for the looting the caravans of the Jewish tribe. There were several tribes which were robbed by Muhammad, as the Banu Abbas, Banu Nadir, Banu Mustalik, Banu Qurayza, Banu Abbas, even his own tribe. Muhammad tried to loot it so many times his cousin, that is the Abu Sufyan. So how the Muhammad was treacherous person and the villain of the history. In the book of the Michael Hart, Dr. Michael Hart, it has been distinguished particularly which chapter belongs this Muhammad, that Muhammad was a rogue element. Muhammad was most rogue element against the Jews at that time. And even the Hitler is less rogue than this Muhammad. Hitler is more or less than rogue or the criminal as compared to the Muhammad. So in this book of the Dr. Michael Hart, it has been disclosed that Muhammad was the certified criminal. And those people who are saying that don't describe the reality of the Muhammad. Why? If your Muhammad was a prophet, if your fabricated lie is good, then what is problem with you? Why? This is not our duty to expose the Muhammad, and this is our duty that we have to serve the all humanity, that the Muhammad was the bad or rogue person, and the followers of Muhammad cannot be good at any cost. Even a single moment a Muslim cannot be a good person, because Muhammad was a rogue person and the Muslims are following the theology of doctrine of Muhammad, which is known as Islam. There was no Allah, never be any Allah. So what use of to curse this Allah or to abuse this Allah? If we have to curse to Islam, we have to curse the Muhammad, because Muhammad is a certified goon, killer and the rapist, and which are following the teaching of the Muhammad. They are certified goon, rapist, and the killers. Every part of the world. These Islamic goons are creating nuisance throughout the world. So this is our compulsion to make the Kafir International Army, to eliminate the such elements who are following the teaching of the Muhammad. Every Muslim who is following the teaching of the Muhammad is a certified goon, certified criminal, certified rapist. There are two forms of the rapist in Islam, recessive or dominant. Recessive means which Muslims are afraid of the law of the any country or the law of the United Nations organization. They are recessive, or they are in hibernation, but they are certified terrorists, certified rapists. And which are the Muslims who are making a bond, good bond with the non-Muslims, and try to encouraging the atmosphere of the peace and harmony. They are not true Muslim in the nomenclature of the Islam, because they are trying to a friendship bond or brotherhood with the non-Muslims. But Islamic doctrine, that is the Quran, stated that no non-Muslim can be the friend of the Muslim, because Muslims are much superior to the Muslims, non-Muslims or the Kafirs. Even as one Muslim is equal to 10 non-Muslim. What a hypocrisy, what a stupidity of the Muhammad, that if the Muhammad was equal to 10 non-Muslim, then why his 4 teeth, 4 means samne ka daat, 4 teeth was broken out by the fist of the Jews? And why this Ayatollah Khomeini, the Islamic goon, was eliminated by the army of the IDF and the United States of America? So my dear friend, we must stand with Israel and United States of America. Even the Christianity is not good. He is a baseless aspect in the Christianity. But the Christian are not so bad, because they are not following such bad habits, which is written in the chapter Matthew, that the Jesus will disturb all this society. He will try to quarrel between the mother-in-law and his daughter-in-law, etc. etc. You can read Matthew or the Mati in Hindi, the Bible. But Christians are not following such teaching, because majority of the Christians are not the Christian. They are the atheist. This is why many Muslims are now becoming an atheist, or have no faith in this religion, that is Islam, or either converted to the Hinduism, the Christian. They are more or much better than these Muslims who are following the teaching of the Muhammad, because Muhammad is a certified terrorist, certified criminal, and the lawsuit must be taken by our Kafir International Army, future in the court of the international Court of the Justice, ICJ. I think the headquarters in Toronto or anywhere, I will see, and we will represent our case before the International Court of Justice that either Quran must be banned, or either the every person has right to kill any true Muslim who is following the path of the Muhammad, because he is the terrorist. So Muhammad was a certified terrorist, and this is why the Jewish persecution is the resultant of the teaching of the Islam, which was perpetrated or which were launched by the Muhammad. The Islam is a Gunism, the criminal ideology which was launched by the Muhammad for his vested interest, because he was so sexy or lusty person. He always molested the young woman after killing their husband or their father. If the woman is not married, then he killed her father. If the women were married, then he killed her father and her husband, as in case of the Safiya bint Huyya, the daughter of Huyya. He killed Huyya, Safiya, and the Huyya, the father of the Safiya, and her husband, Kinan al-Rabi. Then he molested that Safiya bint Huyya, only 17 years old woman, 3 days in the Khyber Valley after killing her husband and father. This is the character of the Muhammad. The attack on the Salim Vastvik is the last nail in the coffin of the Islam, and our Kafir International Army will reduce the threatening of the Islamic Gunism or Islamic goons, and the number of the Islamic goons, which are the Islamic terrorists or the true Muslims, will be reduced in the large number. Not only the fear of the Kafir International Army, but only due to their shame on the Prophet Muhammad character. If you are a shameless person, then you are a true Muslim. If you have some shame, you have some respect to the humanity, you are not Muslims. Every Muslim which is following the teaching of the Islam is a perfect shameless person, shameless fellow, stupid fellow, and super idiot fellow, because he is following the chronology of Islam in the name of the Muhammad, and his belief on the Muhammad, that Muhammad was a very kind-hearted. This is the kind-heartedness that Muhammad raped so many women when he was more than 50 years, and the women or the girls were only 16, 17, 18 years old, after killing their father and their husband as per admissibility. So the Jewish persecution, the resultant of the Islamic Gunism, and this Islamic Gunism, the head or the super duper power super head of this Islamic Gunism was the so-called Prophet Muhammad, in the Prophet Muhammad in the eye of the Muslims. But even our eyes, if we are a human being or the good person or the good people, Muhammad was a rogue person who devastated the whole society, peace and harmony, and created the nuisance and the violence throughout the world. Now we have to reply, or we must reply this Islamic Gunism in next 1-2 years, and all the Islamic goons will be eliminated by the Kafir International Army, and when, as per admissibility, our volunteers certainly will eliminate the Islamic terrorists, as in Kashmir or Iran, Iraq, or anywhere in the Pakistan. And my appeal to the all members of the Kafir International Army to eliminate the Saad Rizvi of the Pakistan. He is the most rogue person, though Pakistani army tried to neutralize him, but he was escaped from this fire, this this fire, which was committed by the Pakistani army. I think some bullets of the Kafir International Army will eliminate this Saad Rizvi, the son of the Khadim Rizvi, Masood Azhar, and the Hafiz Saeed. And my appeal to all the humanitarian people which are the member of the Kafir International Army, please eliminate the Hafiz Saeed in 7 days only. This will be a big step forward towards the unity and the peace and among harmony among the Muslims and the non-Muslims, because which Muslims are trying to make harmony with the non-Muslims, they are not true Muslims, but due to the fear of the Islamic law that a Muslim, if he is living, he will leave the Islam, he will be eliminated by the Islamic codes as per the Sharia. So this is why they are afraid of the of their murderers, their killers that they will kill in the name of the Sharia. So my appeal to all the members of the Kafirs throughout the world, eliminate all the Maulanas from this world to maintain the peace and harmony. And I applaud the United States of America and the Israel that he killed Islamic goon Ayatollah Khamenei. Thank you very much.